Ethereum by and large is a highest-level mineable coin, with the ticker ETH, that has a current worth of $2.078.29 and a market capitalization of $249,904,896,490 versus the thought. Digital currencies in a real sense have kind of lengthy past a purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. These days, it's a resource class that is considerably directed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Some especially huge venture banks even get Ethereum and sort of other digital currencies as a group to in a real sense safeguard their resources under administration against the dashing expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in an essentially significant manner. Presently, now is the ideal time to in a real sense uncover our short, mid, and long-haul forecast of the improvements on the ETH market that essentially depend on the readings of our especially exceptional crypto unpredictability file that truly assists us with checking the market opinion and truly expect where in which the market plans to go in an unpretentious manner, most certainly. At this point, the cost of Ethereum really is $2.078.29. Will the coin right now in a real sense winds up at second spot in the especially generally positioning, or so the explicitly thought. The said truly positioning especially is assessed based on the resource's extremely present value that generally is duplicated by its kind of current market capitalization, an equation that truly is applied all through all monetary business sectors incredibly. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients in every practical sense get the most important information in regards to the exhibition of advanced assets in their portfolios, or so they sort of thought. It's likewise critical to basically consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, or so they in every practical sense thought. On November 24, the cost of Ethereum truly was at $2.062.21 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in a real sense added up to 1.22%, which basically is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on November 18, ETH was esteemed at $1.959.08, which most certainly intends that from that point forward, the cost in a real sense has most certainly changed by 0%, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. A month prior, on October 25, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1.787.16, hence, the coin for the most part has taken a 16.29% action to arrive at its essentially present standings, which in every practical sense shows that Ethereum explicitly is a highest-level mineable coin with the ticker ETH that truly has a fundamentally present worth of $2.078.29. and a market capitalization of $249,904,896,490, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. The examination of market capitalization sort of conveys essentially equivalent significance in both digital money and customary business sectors, showing that 7 days prior, on November 18, ETH especially was esteemed at $1.959.08. which especially intends that from that point forward, the cost has truly varied by 0%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology especially is utilized to generally decide the kind of by and large position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which certainly is very critical. Changes in market capitalization truly certain or fundamentally negative, truly are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market could generally be going, as well as the resource's genuinely potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and in every way that really matters, long-haul viewpoints, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. This specific in every practical sense metric especially is likewise used to measure the strength of Ethereum, corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in a kind of huge manner. To in a real sense decide the very current market capitalization of ETH. We quite the circling supply, the boundary that will truly be generally made sense of later by the truly present worth of the digital money under survey, which truly is genuinely huge. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum generally remains at $249,904,896,490, which frames the reason for its in every practical sense present sort of positioning that sort of was referenced before in a fundamentally large manner. Yesterday, on November 24, ETH really had a market capitalization of $247,974,942,750. Keep going week, on November 18, The market capitalization of the coin being referred to in a real sense was recorded at $235,586,440,657 in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on October 25, the market worth of Ethereum was surveyed to be $214,929,147,215 in an especially significant manner. Complete Stockpile considers the quantity of coins that in a real sense have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, showing how the said certainly positioning by and large is assessed based on the resource's sort of present value that for the most part is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization. A recipe that for the most part is applied all through all monetary business sectors in a quite huge manner. These digital currencies can be utilized either for genuinely dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers in a significant manner. This measurement additionally considers the coins that sort of have been transitioned away from through the interaction called consuming, which truly is applied to control the expansion rate, telling the best way to sort of decide the fundamentally current market capitalization of ETH. We in a real sense duplicate the flowing stockpile, the boundary that will truly be really made sense of later. By the essentially present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, which for the most part is very huge. At this point, the absolute stock of Ethereum is laid out at 120,245,290 ETH. Ultimately, the flowing stockpile by and large is utilized to basically work out the market capitalization and in every practical sense, survey the coins certainly current remaining in the positions, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. It means the sort of generally speaking measure of ETH that truly is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that generally are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly explicitly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown in an unobtrusive manner. It's by and large in every practical sense trusted that digital currencies that sort of have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million are the most reasonable for long-haul speculation, since they fundamentally are generally essentially prone to for the most part value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. At this point, Ethereum for the most part has a circling supply of 120,245,290 coins, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Over the by and large beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $8,997,568,782 in a sort of huge manner. Yesterday, on November 24, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame generally remained at $7,828,437,946 in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on November 18, how much ETH that sort of was traded between market members sort of was assessed at $11,883,159,562 in an especially significant manner. Presently truly comes an opportunity to in a real sense make sense of exhaustively the quintessence of the crypto unpredictability.